The difference between until and unless. Until refers to the time before something happens. It is used to indicate a time limit or a point in time after which something will change. It is often used to express a duration of time up to a specific event or condition. Example: I will wait until you arrive. She stayed at the office until 7 p.m. to finish her work. You have until Friday to submit your assignment. She won't forgive him until he apologizes. Keep stirring the soup until it starts to boil. Unless introduces a condition and means except if. It is used to state an exception to something or to describe a situation that will happen if a specific condition is not met. It sets a condition under which something will not happen. Example: you won't pass the exam unless you study hard. I won't go to the party unless you come with me. They won't make a decision unless everyone agrees. The deal won't go through unless both parties sign the contract. Key differences: time versus condition. Until is about time, marking the point up to which something continues, while unless is about conditions, marking an exception or a situation that prevents something from happening. Examples in contrast. I'll stay here until it stops raining. The focus here is on the duration of time. I won't go out unless it stops raining. The focus here is on the condition that must be met. Subscribe for more videos.